to the e-learning class. So today we are going to learn about the coordinate geometry. We already studied in our previous class about the coordinate geometry, what are the axes, what are the points, okay, and what is the distance between 2 points. How can we find the distance between 2 points, okay. So let's start and we will go further. So here you can see we have 2 points and there is a distance AB between them. So A and B are 2 points and P is another point, okay. So P is another point and it divide these 2 points in a ratio M ratio N. So there is a point M, it divides 2 points AB in ratio M ratio N. So what it be like? It likes AP ratio PB, it is equals to M ratio N, or we can write this one as AP upon PB equals to M upon N. So there is a point x1 y1, then there is another point x2 y2, and now we have point P xy, okay. So how will we find the coordinate of P, which is xy? Okay, so let's see this one. How will we do? So let's take the triangle ACP. This is a right angle triangle where the value of AP we can take as M, and another triangle, it is PDB. So here you can see. Now we have to find the coordinate of P, which is x comma y. So this is a right angle triangle. So first we have to identify the length of the triangle. So let's take, there is a triangle APC. So what is the distance of AC? Can you guess? Okay, now let's look here. What is the distance of O and P? So this is the coordinate. What is the coordinate of OP? Yes, very good. Because distance of coordinate of P is x comma y, so the distance is x and this is y. So the distance of OP is x, and what is the distance of OA? It is x1. So first we have to find the distance of AC and PD. Now here we can see that triangle PAC is similar to triangle BPD. I think you already know about the criteria for the similarity, isn't it? So look here, the triangle PAC, it has one angle same, and another angle A and angle P, both are same because they are, yes, they are making F or corresponding angle. So we can write this one as triangle PAC is similar to triangle BPD. Now what will happen after this? Yes, very good. The ratio of sides of both the triangles is equal. How? So ratio of AP and PB, this is AP and this is PB, it equals to ratio of AC upon PD, okay, because we know from the criteria of the similar, triangle PAC is similar to triangle BPD, so AP upon PB is equals to AC upon PD, okay. So here we have to find AP, then PB, then we have to find AC and PD, and it also equals to PC upon BD. Now look here, what is AP and what is PB? It is the length. AP, then we have the length PB. So we know the ratio of AP and PB. It is already given. It is given as M and N. So we can take it as M upon N. Now we will take first two ratios. M upon N equals to AC upon PD. Now what is the value of AC? So this you can find the value of AC. Okay, so this is AC and it is equals to the distance of OP. It is X and distance of OA it is X1. So the distance of AC is, yes, it is the difference of X minus X1. Again for PD we can find distance is X2 minus X. So this is the distance X2 and after subtracting X we get PD. Again for PC upon BD we can find PC is Y minus Y1 and BD is Y2 minus Y. Now from here we have to find value of X and Y. Okay, so first take this ratio M upon N equals to X minus X1 upon X2 minus X, and after solving this one you will get the value of X as this X M plus N equals to MX2 plus NX1, and after solving you get the value of X as MX2 plus NX1 upon M plus N. So this is the value of X. Now again take the another ratio M upon N equals to Y minus Y1 upon Y2 minus Y1. So after solving this one you get Y M plus N equals to M Y2 plus N Y1, and then you get the value Y equals to M Y2 plus N Y1 upon M plus N. So these are the value to find the coordinate of that point P. So M upon N equals to X minus X1 upon X2 minus X equals to Y minus Y1 upon Y2 minus Y. And after solving X equals to MX2 plus NX1 upon M plus N, then Y equals to MY2 plus NY1 upon M plus N. Okay, so these are the points and this is called section formula. Okay, so you have to remember this formula, section formula. To find the value of X and Y you put this formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, okay, so there is first question which is based on the section formula. Find the coordinate of point P which divides the line joining A, B in the ratio 2:5. So first write down what we are given: A 4 comma minus 5, B 6 comma 3. So it is x1 comma y1. Then you have B 6 comma 3. There is AP, then we have PB. Ratio is given 2:5. So we have first formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Then we have my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now put all the values here. And after solving this one, you will get the answer. You can also find the values of x and y separately. So it is 12 plus 20 upon 7, 6 minus 25 upon 7. So the value is 32 upon 7 and minus 19 upon 7. Okay, so this is the point of P. Okay class, now it's question time. A point P divides 2 points in the ratio n. The value of x is, and your time starts now. Solve this question. Okay, so time is over. So you have to find the value of x. So you will use this formula mx2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Okay, now put the value. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So this is 3m plus n upon m plus n. So what is the correct answer? Yes, it is D. Okay, now finding ratio. How will you find the ratio of any point? So we can use this formula m upon n equals to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x, or m upon n equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y. So these are the formula to find the ratio of section. So you can use any one, x1 minus x upon x minus x2, or x minus x1 upon x2 minus x. But if you look here, so it can be written as x1 minus x upon x minus x2. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. So yes, these are the 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is the point x, y. Okay, so from here you can get the values of these points. So these are 2 points A, B, minus 3, 10, then 6, minus 8. Then you have another point P minus 1, 6. The ratio is m ratio n. Okay, so from here you can find the value of m upon n. Now put all the values x1, x2, x1, x2 and y1, y2. So it is minus 3 minus 1, then minus 1 minus 6. So from here you can get the value. So this is minus 2 upon minus 7, or the ratio m upon n, it is equals to 2 upon 7. Okay, you can also verify this ratio by using y1, yn, y2. Okay, you can use this formula also, y1 minus y upon y minus y2. So here the ratio is 2 upon 7. Okay, now we will also verify this same ratio by taking y coordinates. So m upon n equals to y1 minus y upon y minus y2, or it can be written as 10 minus 6 4, and 6 plus 8 is 14. So answer is 2 upon 7. So here the ratio is 2 upon 7. Okay class, now again question time. A point xy divides two points AB, and your time starts now. Okay, and your time is over. So correct answer is D. It is 4b plus d upon 5. If the point C11 divides a line segment joining A and B in the ratio 3:2, find the coordinates of B, and you can look here. So again we have 2 points A and B, but B point is not given. So what is given? It is A minus 2 comma 7, and we don't know the value of B, so we can take it as x2 comma y2. And now we have C11. So the ratio is 3:2. And here again we can use this formula, C x comma y equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So by using first formula, means for the x, it is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Now you know all the values. You know value of x, m, n, x1, m, and n. Okay, so you can put all the values. So from here you can get the value of x2. So it is 1, 3x2 plus n is 2 into minus 2, and upon m plus n, 3 plus 2. plus 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 2. Or it can be written as 5 equals to 3y2 plus 14, or y2 equals to minus 3. So this is the coordinate of x2 comma y2. It is 3 comma minus 3. Okay, so you know that this is the section formula, or we can say this is called internal section formula. Special case, the midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. Now what is a midpoint? Okay, let's take, there is a line of 6 centimeter. Okay, it is AB of 6 centimeter. If I ask that there is a point which is in the middle of the AB, which divides AB in two equal parts, so where will the point be? Yes, very good. So the length of AP is 3, then PB is also 3. Okay, because it divides the line segment into two equal parts. And what is the ratio of these two parts? Now find the ratio, 3 upon 3, which is 1 comma 1. So this is the ratio. So the midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. So the coordinates of the midpoint P joining the points x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 is, so you can take this ratio as m ratio n, or we can put m and n as 1. So put the value of m and n as 1 and you will get this point. So this is the midpoint of 2 points. So this is called midpoint formula. Okay. Okay, now find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8. This is a line and this is first point, it is minus 3 comma 10. Then you have another point 6 comma minus 8, which you can take as x2 comma y2. So you have x1 y1 minus 3 comma 10, and then you have x2 comma y2 6 comma minus 8. Okay, and you have to find the value of C, which is the midpoint of these 2 points. So what is the midpoint formula? Yes, very good students, very good answer. Midpoint formula is x equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this is the section formula. It is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and here the value of m and n is 1. Okay, so here you have m and n as 1 1. So you can put the values, so you will get this. Now put the values of x1, x2, y1, y2 and you will get the answer very easily. So this is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and then you have y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this is called midpoint formula. Okay, or you have to remember this formula. Coordinate of midpoints is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, so this is called the midpoint formula. And this is the coordinates of midpoint. So what are the values? This is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. So x1 is minus 3 plus 6 upon 2, then 10 plus minus 8 upon 2. Okay, and after solving you will get this 3 upon 2 comma 2 upon 2, 3 upon 2 comma 1, So the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is 3 upon 2 comma 1. Okay, here we used midpoint formula and put the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay class, now it's question time. So use your raft device and give the answer. The midpoint of the line segments divides the line segment in the ratio of, and your time starts now. Okay, your time is getting over. Okay class, and your time is over. So what is the correct answer? Yes, very good. This is 1 comma 1. It means the midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio of 1:1. Okay, now next question is, find the coordinates of a point A where AB is diameter of a circle and whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. So let's see what is given to us. This is a circle and O is the center of this circle. Okay, we are already given the coordinates of O, and here AB is the diameter, and you already know that diameter passes through the center and it is the biggest chord. Now center is 2 comma minus 3, and what is the B is 1 comma 4. So here we have to find the value of A. So let's take the value of A is x comma y, be the coordinates of the point A. Now I think you already know that the midpoint of a diameter. What is the midpoint of diameter? Yes, can you tell me? A diameter in a circle has midpoint as, yes, very good. Okay, so center is always at the midpoint of a diameter. So if you have a diameter, so in the midpoint you will find the center. So we can say that O is the midpoint of AB. Now O is 2 comma minus 3 and this is the midpoint of AB. So we can write this one as x plus 1 upon 2. Here what did we do? We will use the midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 upon 2. Then we have y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this is x plus 1 upon 2. Then you have 4 plus y upon 2. This is called midpoint formula. And after solving this one, you will get x plus 1 upon 2 comma y plus 4 upon 2. So this is the same formula. So we can equate 2 with x plus 1 upon 2 and minus 3 with y plus 4 upon 2. Okay, so put these values. So 2 equals to x plus 1 upon 2. Then we have y plus 4 upon 2 equals to minus 3. Okay, I think now you can easily get the values of x and y from here. So if you multiply 2 with 2, so it is x plus 1 equals to 4 and y plus 4 equals to minus 6, and as x equals to 4 minus 1, which is 3, and y equals to minus 6 minus 4, which is 10. So this is the coordinates of A point, 3 comma minus 10. Hence the coordinates of point A are 3 and minus 10. So this is our answer. Okay class, now again question time. Okay, now next question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment. Now you have to find the points of trisection. So we have 2 points, 4 comma minus 1, then we have minus 2 comma minus 3. So it is 4 comma minus 1, then 2 minus 2 comma minus 3. Now what is trisection? Yes, it is same as bisection. In bisection we cut a line into 2 equal parts, and in trisection we cut a line into 3 equal parts. So here we have 3 equal parts. So here we will have 2 points, 1 and 2 points, because we need 3 equal parts. So this is first part, this is second part, and this is third part. This is first, this is second, and this is third. Let C and B be the points of trisection of AB. And the trisection is 1, 1 and 1. Because all the 3 parts are equal, so we can take them as 1, 1 and 1. So we can take them as ratio 1, 1 and 1. So here first we have to find the ratio of C. Okay, if we take C point, so we can take this length, and then we will take this length. Okay, so we have first length AC is 1, and then we have next length CB as 2. So C divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Okay, now again we can use the section formula, put the values, and you will get the answer very easily. So 1 comma minus 2, 2 comma 4, here you have minus 2 plus 8 upon 3, and after solving you will get answer as 2. It means the x point is 2. Now for y, use same formula, ratio is 1:2. One into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1, and you have minus 5/3. So coordinates of point C are 2 comma minus 5/3. Now again for D point, what are the coordinates of D? So for the coordinates of D, you will take ratio from here to here and from here to here. So this is equals to 2 and this is equals to 1. And again we can find D points from this, because D is the midpoint of C and B. It is 2 minus 2 upon 2, and then you will get the value as 0 and minus 7 upon 3. So the value of D are 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. Hence the coordinates of the point of trisection AB are 2 comma minus 5/2 and D. Okay, again question time. The coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment joining -2, 6 and 4, 0 are, and your time starts now. Give the answer fast. Okay, and your time is over. So correct answer is yes, it is D. Now 3 consecutive vertices of parallelogram are this. Find the 4th vertex. So first we need to construct a parallelogram A, B, C, D. So here we will use the property of diagonal. So we know that the diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So P is the midpoint of AC as well as BD also. So from AC we can get x plus 2 upon 2 and y plus 3 upon 2, and from AC we will get 1 plus 8 upon 2 and then 2 plus 5 upon 2, and both the points are equal. So put both equal and then you will get the answer x and y. So x equals to 7 and then y equals to 4. So this is the 4th vertex. Okay, if A minus 3, and your time starts now, the end point of a diameter AB of a circle, then the center of circle is, find the center of circle. So here you can use the midpoint formula. Okay, and your time is over. So correct answer is C. Okay class, now it's last question. So this is feedback question. Give the feedback of today's class. Okay, and your time is over. Okay students, so what did we learn today? Today we learned about the section formula. Okay, so if 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is divided by another point x comma y in ratio m ratio n. So what are the coordinates? It is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and same as for the y coordinate. Okay, then we learned about the midpoint formula. It is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay, so students, you have to learn and these formula and also apply these formula to solve the problems. Okay, okay students, so now it's time to end the class and we will meet in next class. So till then, goodbye and thank you.